To make this jambalaya rice, here's what you will need: rice, chicken, sausage or hot dog, prawns or shrimps, deveined tomato paste, roughly blended tomato mix consisting of tomato, pepper, red bell pepper, cayenne pepper, and onion, bell peppers, green, yellow, and red, chicken stock, water, and your favorite spices. First thing first, let's prep some ingredients. Chop your bell peppers and set aside.
Cooking's an art when Teresa is there.
Slice your hot dogs or sausages and set aside.
Sizzling pans down to the beat of the drum. Every plate a journey flavor.
Season your deveined prawn with salt and garlic powder. Mix well and set aside.
It's a ride of high tides. Oh, the aroma, it's a feast for the soul. Teresa's in the groove, heart's taking control. Shaking up the recipe, breaking every mold. This is more than...
In a separate bowl, season your boneless chicken. I use sage, thyme, coriander, seasoning powder, crushed pepper, oregano, and paprika. Mix everything thoroughly and set aside. Heat some oil in a pot and add your hot dogs. Fry for a few minutes until slightly brown. Scoop them out and set aside. Using the same oil, add in your prawns or shrimps. Cook for about 4 minutes, then scoop them out and set aside. Next, add your pre-seasoned chicken to the pot. Cook until golden brown and fully cooked through. Scoop out and set aside as well. If needed, add a little more oil to the pot, then sauté your chopped garlic, ginger, and onion until fragrant. Add in your tomato paste, stir well, and let it fry until it loses its raw taste and begins to deepen in color. Now pour in your roughly blended tomato mix. Stir everything together and fry until it thickens and dries out. Stirring at interval to prevent burning. Once the sauce has thickened, add your chopped bell peppers and stir well. Season the sauce with seasoning powder, coriander, bay leaves. Don't forget to remove the bay leaves after cooking. They are not meant to be eaten because they have a tough texture and can be a choking hazard if swallowed. Mix thoroughly well until combined. Now add your washed rice and stir everything together until each grain is coated in that rich, flavorful base. Pour in your chicken stock and water, just enough to cook the rice. Cover the pot and let the rice cook until tender. Check at intervals and add more water or salt if needed. Once the rice is soft and fluffy, it's time to bring the proteins back. Add in your cooked chicken, prawn, and hot dog back to the pot. Toss in some freshly chopped spring onion and stir everything together gently. And just look at that, so colorful, so delicious.
Cooking, it's a story ripped it up with a rhythm and flair, a sprinkle of love and a dash of care. Feel the Afro beats echo in the air. Cooking's an art when Teresa is there. Hands moving swiftly like a chef's ballet.